Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore a key concept in the world of maintenance and asset management, maintainability. We'll unpack what it means, how it's measured, and why it's crucial for your operations. I'll also share some practical strategies for improving maintainability in your organization. If you've ever wondered how to reduce downtime and increase the lifespan of your machines, stay tuned because this video is for you. Let's dive right into the concept of maintainability. This term refers to how easily maintenance activities can be performed on an asset or piece of equipment. Essentially, it's measuring the likelihood that a piece of equipment, which has failed, can be restored to normal operating conditions after maintenance has been performed. So how do we measure maintainability? The key here is to quantify the effort put into performing maintenance on the asset. While there are many ways to do this, the most common method is to calculate the average time it takes to repair a piece of equipment. You might recognize this as measuring the mean time to repair, or MTR, a common performance indicator metric. The MTR quantifies the average time it takes to restore an asset to its normal operating conditions after a failure or breakdown. In simple terms, the formula is MTR equals total downtime in hours divided by the number of failure events. The total downtime is the total time it takes to repair the asset and bring it back online, while the number of failure events is the total number of breakdowns the asset experienced. So a lower MTR indicates a higher level of maintainability, meaning maintainable assets take less time to repair. Now you might be wondering how maintainability differs from reliability. Well, maintainability picks up where reliability might fall short. While reliability characterizes how long an asset can operate without issues, maintainability describes the likelihood the same asset can be restored once a failure does occur. Think of maintainability as a safety net for when an unforeseen failure happens. While you should always aim for high reliability, high maintainability levels can act as a backup plan for when a breakdown does occur. Together, these qualities create higher performance levels for a facility because you're able to perform work continuously. Let's talk about 4 factors that can affect maintainability. Firstly, better training for your team is crucial to the maintainability of your assets. Their understanding and attitude toward machine repairs will determine the quality of work performed. Secondly, better documentation of asset knowledge and procedures will boost the maintainability of your assets. This is because repairs will be more standardized and repeatable. Thirdly, by standardizing the equipment and inventory in your facility, you improve interchangeability. The implications of interchangeability are faster repairs and reducing the amount of time your assets spend offline after a failure. And lastly, increasing planned and preventive maintenance will reduce the amount of unscheduled downtime of your assets. So how can we improve maintainability? Working to keep MTR values low is a basic step to improving maintainability. Properly documented repair procedures and availability of repair tools and materials can significantly reduce the time it takes to restore broken down equipment. In addition to helping keep accurate MTR records, you'll more efficiently document repair history with CMMS software. Such historical records can increase the maintenance team's ability to repair assets more efficiently. In conclusion, the maintainability of your equipment and systems depends on providing better training to your team, more documentation of procedures, and increasing planned maintenance. These factors will improve availability and reliability and simultaneously decrease downtime for your equipment. So if you want to keep your equipment running smoothly and efficiently, focus on maintainability. It's not just about how long your equipment can run without issues, but also how quickly and efficiently it can be restored when those issues inevitably occur. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the concept of maintainability, how it's measured, and how it can be improved. Remember, focusing on maintainability not only reduces downtime, but also increases the lifespan of your machines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information and resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.